Hi guys, welcome back to You and I Can Cook. In this video, I have prepared butter chicken using not boneless but bone-in chicken. You can use boneless chicken too. This recipe tastes just like the one that is made in the restaurants. Also, I have not grilled or fried the chicken. Instead, I have cooked the chicken in the air fryer to avoid excess use of oil. Do check out the full recipe and give it a try. I also have a video for lactose-free butter chicken which does not contain any butter, cream or yogurt, but it tastes as good as the ones with the dairy products. We'll provide the link below the video for it. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. This will be our first marinade. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt, lemon juice, mix well and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Let's prepare the second marinade. I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. You can also add any other cooking oil. Now I'll add the red Kashmiri chili powder. Mix well. Kashmiri chili powder will release its natural color best in oil. Now I'm going to add yogurt. Bit salt, very little lemon juice, ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Now I'm going to put the chicken from the first marinade to this. Squeeze out the extra marinade. The pieces are coated well now. Keep it aside for another 20 to 25 minutes. Pour very little water. Add onion. Garlic. Ginger. Cashew nuts. Add tomatoes, garam masalas, Kashmiri chili powder, a little butter, mix everything well. Add a little bit of salt. Cover and cook till the tomatoes become mushy. Tomato has turned mushy now. Turn off the flame
Cover and allow it to cool and then grind it to a smooth paste.
Chicken has got a beautiful color and it's cooked perfectly. Now I'll grind the masala to a thick smooth paste.
Add some butter.
Add some sliced ginger and green chilies and fry a little.
Add the ground masala now. Add the masala water. Add salt, some sugar, mix it well, cover and cook for 2 minutes. Gravy is boiling. Now I'll add the chicken pieces. Mix well. Add some kasuri methi. Cook for 2 minutes and then we'll add the cream. Now add the fresh cream. And butter chicken is done. I'll now plate the dish. Yummy butter chicken is now ready to be served. You can garnish it with a little bit cream on top and some coriander leaves.